What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to back up your game files in Steam. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Steam or steampowered.com. After that, you will be redirected to the home page or the dashboard of Steam. From there, on the top at the right side, you will see the option of login. Click on that login button, and if you are new to Steam, just simply sign up with your email and password to create your new Steam account. But if you already have a Steam account, simply click on login and then you will be automatically logged in to Steam. Now, after signing up or logging in, on the left side, you will see the option of install Steam. Click on that and install the Steam application. Now, after installing the Steam application, this is what the dashboard will look like of the Steam application. From here, over to the library and then click on downloads. Now, after coming to the download section, you will see all the games that you have downloaded. After click on the properties or the manage option for easy backup, you need to click on the manage option, and coming to the manage option, you will see the option of installed files. Click on this install files option and then click on backup game files. When you click here, it will ask you about where do you want your backup files to be stored on your computer. So just select the location and then the files will be backed up to that location. So this is how you can back up your game files on Steam. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.